using an analog sound format. The vinyl record is very sensitive to imperfections on its surface caused by dirt, dust and other contaminants that alter the quality of the original recording. That is why it is necessary to have a minimum maintenance from time to time, or something more advanced as what Degritter proposes. It is a vinyl cleaning system that uses purified water and an ultrasonic system capable of directing said water up to the grooves of the discs to extract the small specks of dirt and leave them as if they had just been removed from their sheath. Basically, it is a box finished in aluminum with a water tank of 1.2 liters that recirculates through a conduit in which a filter has been inserted where the particles that dissolve the water will be trapped. The key to the cleaning process are 4 transducers that excite the water at a frequency of 120 kHz, generating small bubbles that are actually acting as a cleaning agent.